Listen, if you're still paying for 5 different AI subscriptions, especially in 2026, you guys are just throwing your money away. I literally just found the only AI visual tool you actually need to create professional content this year. And it gives you God level control over your images. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, as I said, welcome to the channel. I'd like to introduce you to the biggest game changer of the year. It's called Artbreeder. And as you can see right here, you can create like never before. You can actually create characters, artworks, and more, all powered by AI. And it looks like they have over 14 million users and 300 million images. Okay. So instead of just typing text and literally hoping for the best, they're actually breeding images by mixing concepts, styles, and other images together to get exactly the look you want. So how do you do this? Well, it's pretty easy and simple. They have a lot of features we can go over really quickly. Not only that, I'll actually show you how this works in just a few moments, but I want you guys to understand that all you really have to do is simply upload 2 different reference images, like say a character portrait and a specific art style. And then you just adjust the blend sliders to decide which image influences the final result more. And not only that, but there's more. All right, so you'll see right here they have what's called the collage, right? The collage. Okay. So this tool completely replaces the need for complex composition and prompting by letting you doodle simple shapes while the AI fills in the entire world. As you guys can kind of see, especially right there in the background, right? So what I want you guys to do, if you haven't already, make sure to sign up. The link will be down below, but we're going to go ahead and click login. We're just going to log in with our Google account real quick so you guys can see exactly how easy and simple this is, right? So we're just going to use this one. And we're going to hit continue, and boom, that's it, all right? So as you can see here with Collager, I mean, there are going to be a lot of different features. Like I mentioned, you can see welcome to college, right? It even has AI and everything, and it kind of shows you exactly how everything works, and you guys will see. So for example, let's just type this in right here. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do a render. Okay, that's literally it. Did you see what I put in? It was a neon lit cyberpunk market at midnight. Rain technically reflecting off the pavement, aka high resolution, ultra realistic lighting. And this is exactly what we got. So as you can see right here, you can download it or even re-roll. So basically, guys, it's going to give you a lot of different options here. Okay, so which is actually pretty dope and pretty awesome. All right, so I want you guys to understand. I mean, there are going to be a lot of things you can actually do here. You can go to save, right? You can come over here to download whatever you want to do. Very important. Not only that, but as I mentioned, you guys, they have fine-tuning with what's called genes. So you guys, as you know, the visuals are rarely perfect. Obviously, on the first try, as you saw, there were a bunch of different ones. Not only that, but I want you guys to understand, they have what's called the tuner, okay? Where you can actually adjust specific genes like age, gender, lighting, or the color palette. So you can literally age a character up if you want. You could change their overall emotion, or you can actually shift the date with a single slider. So there are a lot of different things you can actually do there. So you guys will even see. I mean, there are just a whole bunch of different things you can choose from. So once again, you guys can see that. Yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty cool. You can see everything over here as well. So you can actually visit and check this out. And you guys will see there are a lot of different things they have to offer, as mentioned. All right. So obviously, guys, the images here update in real time without losing the original identity and consistency of your overall subject. Now, I want you guys to understand they do have what's known as a community ecosystem. So technically remixing the community ecosystem. They never have to start from a blank canvas because whenever it comes to Artbreeder, you guys, it has a massive open source community. So whenever you sign up and log in, you guys will see right here that we do have the community. So technically, you guys, this is where literally almost every single image is remixable. So you can actually grab like any kind of stunning landscape that someone else has made and blend it directly with your own characters. All right. Technically, you can do this by adding your own, let's say, text prompts as well, or additional reference images. So technically, you can generate your own unique, personalized spin on the original artwork literally within just a few seconds. So once again, you've got Create, we've got the Splicer, Composer, Collager, we've got the Promoter and Animator, right? Director. There's just a lot of things. Outliner, Poser, and Patterns. I mean, there's so much you can actually do here. So you can even upload, you can browse, whatever you'd like, all right? So once again, when it comes to Artbreeder, it completely centralizes your visual workflow, combining, obviously, as mentioned, mixer, collager, and tuner tools to give you unparalleled control over your AI art without needing a bunch of different apps. Everything's in one single place, so it scales perfectly from solo characters or, let's say, creators. Let's just say that. Whether you're trying to design consistent characters or you're a world builder who needs exact compositional control for your project, Artbreeder, check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. I need you to stop bleeding subscription money and bouncing between different apps. Check the description to try out the only AI toolkit you need right now. And guys, let me know what you create by leaving a comment down below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.